Hello everyone, today we're going to create such a beautiful image. First, just like the video and subscribe to the channel, then write your desired text here. Make sure that your text is centered like this. After writing the text, go to the object menu and press the expand option and just click OK. Now we assign a gradient to our text. I use these colors. Make sure that your gradient is definitely in radial mode. Then we select our shape. We don't need the gradient for now, and we increase the stroke a bit and change it to this number. It's enough to then ungroup our shape. Now we move on to drawing a circle. The circle doesn't need a fill. Its stroke must definitely be set to 1. After that, we proceed to divide the circle into 2 halves. For this, we need the knife tool. We bring in the knife and divide the circle into 2 halves like this. We take the top part of our text and do this by holding Shift, Ctrl, Alt and C. We do the same for the second part, Ctrl, Alt and C. We select both of the secure ones, press Ctrl G, then press Expand from Object. Now we make a copy from the path by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. We place the top wing on the mesh and the upper layer onto the lower layer. We change it. Well, it's enough that I move the upper layer and use the lower layer as well. We reduce its size as much as possible and place it in the center. After that, we select both shapes and go to Object, then the Blend option. We select the Blend option. We set it to Steps mode and set the number to 200, then click OK. After that, we press Object again, press Blend and press Make, or we can use Ctrl, Alt and B instead. You see that you have such a beautiful shape at your disposal. Now you can move any of these shapes. For example, I move these two a bit higher and create such a beautiful image. Saki sa, de saki si. It's that simple. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.